The world of coin collecting is filled with hidden treasures that often pass through our hands completely unnoticed every single day. This specific pocket change token from the United States Mint holds a fascinating narrative that completely transforms how we view ordinary currency. While millions of these pieces were minted for general circulation, certain exceptional examples carry unique characteristics that elevate them far beyond face value. Today, we are diving deep into the intricate design details, historical background, and specific production varieties that make this piece stand out. By understanding what makes this particular item so special, you will learn how to spot rare anomalies hiding inside change jars. This comprehensive guide will break down everything you need to know about evaluating and identifying these historical pieces of American numismatic history. When the United States Mint launched the highly successful statehood circulating program, it aimed to celebrate the unique heritage of every territory. This specific release features a beautifully detailed reverse design showcasing a classic pioneer scene complete with an iconic ox-drawn covered wagon. In the background, the majestic geological formation known as Chimney Rock stands tall against a brilliantly radiating sun with widespread light beams. This artistic depiction perfectly captures the brave spirit of early American settlers who traveled westward across the rugged and challenging historic trails. Every single line engraved on this surface tells a deep story of exploration, endurance, and national growth during a transformative era. Understanding this artistic symbolism is the very first step toward appreciating why collectors across the globe cherish this beautiful issue. To properly evaluate the significance of this circulating piece, we must first look closely at the essential mint marks stamped on the surface. The prominent letter identifier indicates the exact manufacturing facility where this legal tender was originally struck under strict official government quality controls. Coins produced at different locations often exhibit varying levels of visual sharpness, strike quality, and overall preservation depending on initial production runs. Collectors pay incredibly close attention to these tiny letters because they directly influence the relative scarcity and historical context of the item. A well-preserved specimen with a clear strike can immediately catch the eye of serious numismatists searching for top-grade registry set editions. Examining these subtle details under magnification allows us to appreciate the true craftsmanship behind modern coin manufacturing processes around the world. While the vast majority of these circulating pieces are only worth their standard face value, extraordinary condition changes everything for serious collectors. In the numismatic hobby, the overall physical condition is professionally graded on a highly precise numerical scale ranging from 1 to 70. Specimens that manage to escape the heavy wear and tear of daily commerce retain their original brilliant mint luster and sharp details. These pristine examples are incredibly difficult to find because most pocket change becomes scratched, stained, or heavily worn over several years. Finding a flawless piece with absolutely no surface marks or distracting imperfections is an incredibly rare achievement for any passionate coin hunter. The sheer scarcity of high-grade preservation is precisely what drives intense competition among dedicated enthusiasts during major competitive bidding events. Beyond the standard visual appeal of pristine preservation, the presence of verified manufacturing anomalies can dramatically elevate a specimen's historical importance. During the high-speed minting process, various mechanical anomalies such as double dies, die cracks, or off-center strikes can occasionally occur on blanks. These unintentional structural variations are highly prized by specialists because they represent unique frozen moments of mechanical failure inside the mint. When a planchet is improperly aligned or a die cracks under immense pressure, a highly distinct visual variety is instantly created. Identifying these obscure minting varieties requires an incredibly sharp eye, patience, and a solid understanding of how modern machinery functions. Many enthusiasts spend entire lifetimes searching through thousands of ordinary circulating pieces just to discover one verified, high-quality production anomaly. When a truly exceptional specimen possessing both flawless preservation and a highly documented production variety enters the open market, excitement builds. Verified auction records demonstrate that top-tier numismatic items can achieve astonishing results when serious buyers compete fiercely for rare historical pieces. In notable elite trading venues, a uniquely certified specimen of this specific type actually commanded a verified public price of $70,099. This breathtaking valuation represents the absolute pinnacle of numismatic passion, where historical significance and extreme conditional rarity meet in the market. It is important to remember that such historic results are reserved exclusively for professionally certified pieces of the highest possible quality. Seeing these incredible figures inspires millions of everyday people to carefully check their pockets before spending their ordinary loose change. To protect yourself while exploring this fascinating hobby, it is absolutely essential to follow verified professional standards for grading and authentication. Relying on reputable independent third-party certification services ensures that your collection is accurately evaluated, safely protected, and completely authentic in the market. Avoid cleaning your items, as any abrasive chemical altering or physical scrubbing will permanently destroy the original mint luster and value. Instead, handle your collection safely by the outer edges, using clean cotton gloves to prevent natural skin oils from causing damage. Storing your treasures in protective, archival quality holders keeps them safe from environmental moisture, dust, and sudden accidental surface scratches. Education and proper preservation techniques are the true keys to successfully navigating the dynamic and highly rewarding world of coin collecting. The enduring appeal of coin hunting lies entirely in the thrilling possibility of discovering a piece of history hidden in plain sight. Every time you receive loose change at a local store, you are potentially holding a fascinating piece of numismatic art. By sharing this educational knowledge with friends and fellow enthusiasts, you help keep the rich history of traditional currency alive today. We hope this detailed breakdown has inspired you to look much closer at the everyday change passing through your own hands. Remember to keep learning, stay patient during your searches, and always keep an eye out for unique details on currency. Thank you so much for watching this educational presentation, and we wish you the absolute best of luck on your journey.